Do you struggle to speak English fluently? You know the words, you understand the grammar, but somehow your mouth just won't move? You're not alone. Many people feel this way, and the reason is simple. Learning English is not just about your brain, it's also about your mouth. Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method that can train your mouth to speak English naturally, so you can talk confidently and fluently every day. This is not a trick. It is a proven method that works if you practice consistently, and by the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to start training your mouth to speak like a native speaker. Many people spend years learning English. They study grammar rules, memorize vocabulary, and read countless books. Yet when it comes time to speak, they freeze. They understand English in their mind, but the words do not come out smoothly. Why does this happen? Because speaking is not just a mental skill, it is a physical one. Your brain may know the language, but your mouth has to learn how to form the sounds, move correctly, and produce words naturally. That is why even experienced learners struggle sometimes. The key to fluency is simple. You must train your mouth to talk. Training your mouth requires repetition. You need to practice saying sentences out loud over and over until your mouth remembers how to form the sounds automatically. Think of it like learning a musical instrument or a sport. A pianist does not just read music, they practice with their hands every day. A football player does not only watch games, they train their body to move correctly. In the same way, your mouth must practice English daily. Fluency comes from muscle memory, not memorizing grammar rules. Every time you speak aloud, your mouth learns how to produce English naturally. Start with simple sentences. Speak them slowly at first. For example, try saying, I wake up early every morning, I drink coffee and read the news, then I prepare for my day, I like learning English, and English helps me communicate with the world. Saying these out loud may feel awkward at first, but each repetition strengthens your mouth and tongue, helping you form sounds correctly. Over time, your voice will sound more natural, and your brain will begin connecting words automatically, making speaking faster and easier. English also has a natural rhythm. Native speakers do not pronounce every word separately, they connect words. For example, instead of saying, I want to go to the market, a native speaker might say, I want to go to the market. Try repeating phrases like, I want to learn English, I want to speak fluently, or I want to improve every day. This connected speech is one of the secrets to sounding natural. The more you practice it, the easier it will become, and your English will flow smoothly. Another key step is learning to think in English. Many learners translate from their native language into English, which slows down speaking because the brain has to switch languages before forming sentences. Instead, start thinking directly in English. When you wake up, think, today will be a good day. When you start studying, think, I will practice English today. When you feel tired, think, I will not give up. These small habits train your brain to produce English naturally without translation. Fluency does not happen overnight. It grows through daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day can dramatically improve your speaking ability over time. A simple routine works best. Listen to English, repeat sentences, read aloud, and speak freely. Talk about your day, your plans, or your dreams. The key is to move your mouth consistently. Every time you speak, your mouth strengthens, your pronunciation improves, and your confidence grows. To make your practice more engaging, use short stories. Imagine Ali, who wanted to speak English fluently but was afraid. Every time he tried, he would stop. One day, he discovered a simple method, reading English stories aloud every day. At first, he spoke slowly and made mistakes, but he kept going. After 3 months, his words became smoother and his confidence grew. One day, when a tourist asked him a question in English, he answered without fear. Ali had trained his mouth to talk, and that was the secret to his fluency. Confidence is more important than perfection. Many learners think they must speak perfect English to be fluent. That is not true. Making mistakes is part of learning, and even native speakers make them. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. Speak with confidence, and every sentence you say will make you stronger. The more you speak, the faster your fluency grows. Reading aloud is another powerful exercise. Pick a short story or paragraph. Read it slowly, focusing on pronunciation and clarity. Then read it again and again. Within a few days, you will notice improvements in speed, clarity, and confidence. This simple exercise trains your mouth to speak correctly, your ears to hear the right pronunciation, and your brain to form sentences naturally. Consistency is key. Practice speaking every day, even for just 10 minutes. Repeat sentences, read aloud, and speak freely about your day. If you do this consistently for 30 days, your English will improve dramatically. You will speak faster, more naturally, and with confidence. Daily practice may seem small, but it builds momentum over time. Your mouth will start producing English automatically, and your brain will keep up naturally. Many learners feel frustrated because they know the words but cannot speak. This is normal. Do not give up. Every time you practice, your muscles and brain are learning. Your fluency grows quietly, even if it feels slow at first. Keep repeating, keep speaking, and keep practicing. That is the only way to train your mouth to talk fluently. Fluent English is not built in silence. It is built through movement, repetition, and confidence. Speaking every day, even for a few minutes, will change your English more than any grammar book ever could. Train your mouth, train your voice, and train your confidence. Every time you speak, you are improving. Soon, you will notice a difference. You will speak English naturally, clearly, and fluently. You will stop translating in your head. You will start thinking, feeling, and speaking directly in English. This is the result of consistent practice and mouth training. Start today. Pick a story, paragraph, or set of sentences. Read them aloud. Repeat them until your mouth moves naturally. Speak freely about your day in English. Think in English. Connect words naturally. Speak confidently. Each day you will notice small improvements. After a few weeks, these improvements will become large. You will speak English more fluently, naturally, and confidently. You will no longer feel stuck when speaking. You will enjoy expressing yourself. You will communicate freely with the world. Remember, fluency is a skill, not a talent. It is learned, practiced, and earned. The secret is repetition, daily practice, and mouth training. Speak slowly at first, then faster. Focus on connected speech and pronunciation. Think in English. Read aloud. Repeat sentences. Speak confidently. Do this consistently, and your fluency will grow naturally. Every word you speak strengthens your muscles, brain, and confidence. Do not wait for perfect grammar or perfect vocabulary. Do not fear mistakes. Start speaking today. Train your mouth to talk. Train your brain to think in English. Train your confidence to grow. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. Fluency is the result of effort, repetition, and daily speaking. Start small, stay consistent, and you will achieve your goal. Soon, you will speak English naturally, fluently, and confidently, and your words will flow effortlessly. Every day, every sentence, every practice session brings you closer to fluent English. Keep moving, keep speaking, and your mouth will learn to talk the way a native speaker does.